Well, the big thing a lot of us are going to be watching this weekend will be the amount of cloud cover. The eclipse is going to happen one way or the other, but depending on where you're located is where we'll have the cloud cover to be able to see it. Now, over southern and southeast parts of the state, likely going to see some drier air, partly cloudy skies, but central northwest Iowa, more clouds anticipated on Monday. So keep back in, checking in with us. We'll continue to refine this forecast. And again, here are the times of the peak of the partial eclipse here in central Iowa, 1:58 p.m. on Monday in Des Moines, a little bit later out to the east. This afternoon and this evening, temperatures will be dropping back from the upper 50s down into the 40s overnight. There will be some clouds streaming through. And note that we will have a light breeze out of the east. That will become stronger through the day tomorrow as we watch a pretty powerful storm system out to the west. This afternoon, we've had some mid and high level clouds streaming in. You can see more clouds over parts of Nebraska and South Dakota. That is in advance of this very strong upper level disturbance that you see over parts of Nevada and Utah. And that system will arrive here on Saturday and linger into Sunday, bringing those strong winds and chances for showers and storms. We're down into the upper 30s and lower 40s tomorrow morning before rising back into the 50s and low 60s tomorrow afternoon with those increasing winds. And with the strong winds and the dry air tomorrow, we are concerned about elevated fire conditions over our western and northern counties. The counties that you see shaded in orange are under a fire weather watch until 7 p.m. on Saturday, and a wind advisory for these counties shaded in tan from Fort Dodge south toward Carroll, Jefferson, all the way down toward Corinda. This will be in effect until 1 a.m. on Sunday. Watch how conditions change as this system approaches from the west tomorrow. Clouds will increase along with a band of showers and thunderstorms. Those thunderstorms could be strong in eastern Nebraska before quickly weakening, but still some strong wind gusts associated with those. We dry out on Sunday morning, and then as the upper level low moves overhead, new thunderstorms develop Sunday afternoon. These will be scattered, but any storms that do develop could turn strong to severe. Watch for winds tomorrow. They're lighter in the morning, then quickly turn gusty in the afternoon. Wind gusts could be over 45 to 50 miles per hour, especially by Saturday evening over the western parts of the state. So if you have anything that could fly away, or if you're driving any high profile vehicles, do be aware of that tomorrow evening and into Sunday morning. Again, that chance for scattered thunderstorms Saturday night into Sunday. New thunderstorms redevelop Sunday afternoon. There is a low risk some of those could turn severe. Partly cloudy skies on Monday with more clouds to the north, and then we're dry into the middle part of next week. Next chance of rain comes up on Thursday.